Hi guys, how you going? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, welcome. So today I'm out camping over the Easter long weekend up Mansfield Way at a beautiful camping spot at the Tolmie Reserve. If you go back to the channel, I'll do a video on the whole place. It's fantastic, absolutely amazing setup, camp kitchen, showers, toilets, the absolute works. Plenty of camping spots, absolute beast. But yeah, tonight I just thought I'd give you a quick look at what I'm doing tonight with the kids, cooking up dinner. So yeah, might give you some ideas. So let's go for a bit of a look. Alright guys, so this is my setup here. I've got the camper trailer with me today. Got my 200 watt solar panels there from All Powers. I've got the boys here with me tonight. As you can see, they're settled in, online gaming out in the middle of nowhere. And we've got Starlink to thank for that. And this amazing Ryobi battery pack that powers it. And if you go to the channel, there's a whole heap of videos, but that just works totally independent. As you can see where we are tonight. So this is the Wednesday night before the long weekend, so there's quite a few coming in. I think by the time we finish this, it'll be absolutely chockers. And like I said, shower blocks, camp kitchens, the works. But yeah, this is what we've got going tonight. So this is my little pull-out kitchen that I built myself. So yeah, we're just doing burgers tonight with the bacon, eggs. Also got fries. Yeah, nice and simple. A bit of oil. Yeah. I'll throw in the next batch. Got me little bit of chicken salt. These are just the tasters for the boys. Get them going while I get ready. Super crunchy. Here you go guys. Have a snack. Alright, so I'll start cooking the burgers up and I'll be back. Throw on my next batch of chips. The only thing, this is this Coleman cooktop. It's one of the things with cooktops, they never get hot enough. Definitely not the case with this one. This one gets super hot. Again, just be careful. Throw my next batch of chips in. Be super careful with this, but make sure you watch it. Yeah, so these chips are partially frozen, so you got to be very careful. And I use this for boiling spaghetti, noodles, deep frying. I've got to get the right combo though. This pot, I'd love it to be a bit taller. I've seen a few online, just got to go check them out. Alright, and then when you're comfortable, and again, don't leave the oil, but that's not going to overflow now. Again, about 80-20 beef, just salt and pepper. The best bacon, this stuff, American streaky bacon. This is from Costco. And you get it in these individual packets, which is great. Double smoked over Australian hardwood. My little secret stash of chicken salt. Comes with me everywhere. Oh, hey Mitch, how's things? you want cheese melted? And yeah, Aldi's got the best brioche buns. Pop them in the pan a bit, toast that up. These are almost done. Nice and golden. And again, the chicken salt. Absolutely perfect. Beautiful. Bit of mayo. I love these balls, they're grouse. There we go. Burger on top. Fries. And there we go. How's that? Alright, over to the hungry boys. Who's going first? You can't eat and play at the same time. Come on, quick, quick. There you go. Check it out. Whoa. Okay. So as you can see, it literally only takes about 5 minutes each one, not even. And again, the beef is just 500 grams of beef, and I just do it into 4 portions. Nice and easy, 125 grams per burger. And they're the brioche buns from Aldi's. By far the best ones. Coles and Woolies are starting to get some better ones, but Aldi's the best. And you can get with seeds or without. And they do a good brioche hot dog bun as well, which we're doing on another night. Yum. On topper. Money shot. There we go. Alright guys, nice quick and simple burgers tonight. So yeah, so we'll get stuck into it. So there'll be quite a few videos this weekend. This is just nice quick and easy one cooking. And yeah, go to the channel, go check out the rest of the content. There's a heap of stuff on there, from full driving to Pajeros to camping to Starlink, you name it, it's on there. Again, all my passions, all the stuff I love to do. And yeah, all right, see you in the next video. Cheers guys, bye.